Hello, you are looking at a 2013 Forest River Georgetown Class A motorhome with 2 slides. It's a 351DS, which is the bunkhouse model of this unit. Has a Ford V10 engine with just at 15,800 miles, I believe, on it. It's on the 20,500 pound chassis, 19.5-inch tires. Has a 14-foot main awning and also has slide toppers over both slides. Does have a rear hitch, and it is rated at 5,000 pounds tow capacity. This coach has not been detailed yet, but you can see that the full body paint has a nice shine on it. It's a very good looking coach. It's going to be some storage. I'll have pictures of all the storage compartments. A little more detail inside the pictures. Just wanted to walk you around the outside so you can get a pretty good idea of what the coach looks like, the actual condition. Alright, so everything looks pretty good on the outside of the coach. Of course, with the low miles, it's not going to be hurt too much, but a few things that I noticed: it does have a clear shield on the front of it. There is a little bit of stuff that gets behind that clear shield, which is very common for motorhomes in general that have the shield on the front. And generally it's full body paint. RVs will have that, and it happens to all of them. Just kind of pointing it out on this one. All right, take a walk inside. Again, it's a 351. It's a DS, which is the bunkhouse model. A double electric step. Give you an idea of the floor plan in here. That front shade is a power shade. Just have it down to keep our glare down. Driver and passenger seat do swivel. Cup holder. Your electronic leveling jacks, which the jacks are down now. Matter of fact, the front wheels are up off of the ground. We're on some unlevel. We're in an unlevel area where the electronic leveling jacks took care of it for us. Okay, so a good idea here. And we'll cover everything in detail in the pictures of this RV. Your refrigerator, convection microwave, does have an oven, solid surface countertops, get this stuff out of your way here so you can see the 3-burner stove. that out of there so you can see the dual stainless steel sinks, nice and deep. You can fit your pots and pans in there. That is a hide-a-bed sofa. The dinette booth does make down into a bed as well. This RV will sleep 8. Entertainment center there. Lots of TVs. Here's a pantry. That's something that's very cool. That'll slide out and give you places to put your canned goods and whatnot. As we walk back into the bedroom area, you see it's nice and spacious. Going into the bunks, you got double bunks, drawers, a ladder to get to your top bunk. Both of them have small TV, DVD players. Unit is super clean. It really looks new. That's your monitor panel. That's where you operate your slides, your water heater, showing your tank levels and all. You do all that stuff from right there. Our generator is running, and I'll show you that again up front. There's our bathroom, foot flush toilet. There's our sink. Got some storage there. Got a nice round surround on the glass shower, and that's pretty spacious in there. Show you that. All right, coming into the bedroom here. So you see you got lots of drawers. Gonna have some hanging closets, another TV, nice rear back window. It's a queen size bed. Look at it that way. There's a sliding door that will close across there for some privacy. Give you a view from the bed. We do have 2 air conditioners, ducted ACs, 50 amp service on this RV.